Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, students. This is Dhanalakshmi, your art teacher, welcoming you to today's online art classes. And today's topic is Military Macaw. Military Macaw. Military macaw is a large parrot and it gets its name from its predominantly green plumage resembling the military parade uniform. The bird looks spectacularly especially during flight, the color looking vibrant and full of life. It is native to forests of Mexico and South America. Unlike other parrots, military macaw tend to prefer tropical rainforest. We can also see them in dry forest and trees near water. Macaw are often seen flying in large groups called flocks. Macaw's lifespan is about 50 to 60 years. They grow 1 meter in average from head to tail. Macaw can fly up to 56 km per hour. As they prefer staying on the treetops, they feed on seeds, berries, nuts, fruits and some vegetables. Military macaw feeding habits are their liking of clay deposits usually found on river banks, which provides them mineral salts which is absent in their daily diet, which detoxify their body. Military macaws are the social birds and they can be pet for lives. So in today's class, let me teach you how to draw a military macaw. To begin with, let me start with an inverted U or a curved shape. This becomes the head of the macaw. Now, let me draw some zigzag lines to make a feathers. Later, just give a curved line to make a beak. Now draw pointed curved lines to make its beak. Once we have completed with the beak, let's do the body part with a curved line. Now let me draw the feathers using curved lines and some inverted curved lines. It should be in the shape of a leaf or a water drop. Now draw 3 layered feathers to draw some 3 different colors. Now let me draw the branch or the feet first and then the branch. Now let me draw the legs of the macaw. Draw it as though it is holding the branch. Later, I will draw a curved lines to represent the branch. The branch of the tree can be used using curved lines. Don't use scale to do that. Now, let me extend its feathers and tail. Make a pointed curved line with long feathers. Once you have done this, we'll draw some detailing for the feathers. Now draw a big circle to draw its eyes and a small circle inside to make its eyeball. Now give one more circle and a curved line in a C shape to cover its beak. Now let me add some detailing for the picture by adding some leaves here and there. You can randomly draw some leaves here and there. Let me draw some leaves on the branches. I am drawing 3 leaves here and some more at the bottom of the page. This completes our picture, and let's move on how to color it. First, let me color its beak with the combination of yellow and red. First, I color the center of the beak with yellow and then fill in with red color for its beak. Next, I color with yellow color around the eyes. Now completely color the bird with light green color. Now I color 3 different color layers for its feathers. First I draw with red and fill in with red color. Then I move upon with yellow color. And then with blue color. I follow the same pattern for the other extended feathers. I fill in with red, yellow and blue for the extended feathers. Once the picture is completed, we move upon to color the leaves. I color the leaf outline with dark green and color the branches with brown. First color the branches and leaves. To color the leaf, I use dark green outline and light green filling. So children, this is how the picture looks when it is completed. I want you to draw this in your drawing book. First practice it in your rough note and then do the same in your drawing book and color it beautifully. Until I meet you next time with a new concept, take a good care of your health and happy weekend.